Astigin airplane nila guys. Yan, wireless and flight entertainment at your fingertips. Sana all. Kasi, try to daw ini, okay? So, and studio. And then, copy the URL below. Let's try. Paano yun? Pagkatapos ng connected na. Oh, connected na nga siya. Then, open the site. Accept. Grabe. Kailangan mo talaga dumungo na bibisara. Ayan guys, diba? Connect na nakain na nakagwa lang kita kasi nga nagbibisara. Kailangan tamo na dumungo. So, check ta ulit. Ayan. Naka-activate na yung flight mode ta. Wi-Fi ta. And Bluetooth is for earbuds ko yan. So, click ta ulit. And connected na tayo. Ayan, open the site. Then, accept. Nangyari siya. Ano siya mga parang movies. Astig, diba? Pwede music. Cute. Para di ko ma-board while on flight. Hindi na namin ko kung sa-charger. Sorry na guys, first time ko rin naka-agada Malaysian Airlines. So, Benny pala yun ni airplane.
We will now demonstrate the use of the safety equipment carried on this aircraft. Please give your attention to the crew at the front of your cabin.
So be sure na
this is your seatbelt. To fasten, insert the metal link into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten the seatbelt, lift the metal flap. Should the cabin pressure become low and up.
So ayan guys, try na balik. Ayan na Diyan kita flight actually. And itry ko balikin Ayan guys, try tayo sa music. Ayan sa Bishapon. As a courtesy to others passengers, please use your own headphones before playing this. Diba? Eh, nakasaksak naman in AirPods ko. So, back to streaming tayo.